Good morning. Last garden standing here with you today. I am going to bring you a different kind of video. It's a first video in a series of videos following the one that I did last week or two ago. It is going to be bringing you herbs, the cooking in a medical way or health way and a metaphysical way. So I'm going to be bringing you those different things, cooking recipes with hemp, the medical and health benefits of using hemp, and the metaphysical hemp uses through incense and oils. So with that being said, first of all, hemp seeds, oils, plants, and hemp-contained products, unlike cannabis, it does not contain THC. Although hemp comes from the cannabis sativa plant, hemp does not produce a mind-altering effect. But do you have pain, arthritis, swelling, skin irritations, heart ailments, blood pressure problems, or are you simply overweight? This only mentions a few things that hemp can do. It is a natural way and a solution to those things and more. I will be bringing you some recipes, medical choices you can make, and hemp oils and incense uses that you can try. Right here's your hemp oils. I've already got it going. There's going to go in your food. You can make it in shakes, smoothies, what have you. There's some hemp seeds. I don't have a cosmetic display, but you can find those at anywhere. Health food stores, what have you. One thing I want to clarify is that I am not a doctor. I am simply bringing you a different and some natural choices. Please consult your physician and herbalist on medical and herbal advice. I do want to say that. Hemp and cooking. You can find any recipe online or in the web. Hemp contains 12 grams of protein. Just 3 tablespoons will help boost muscle growth and has omega-3 vitamins, which burns fat. Just to mention a few, you've got several salad dressings: hemp oil vinaigrette salad dressing, hemp hummus dip, hemp chickpea spread, basil hemp, and seed pesto. This is only to mention a few. Some of the medical purposes I'd like to mention. Hemp helps with muscles. It controls inflammation and body temperature. Hemp is good for health in your heart, blood pressure. It has tons of fiber. There it mentions fiber in that food. Protein that you can use in shakes. It has healthy fats, less sugar. This is good for your heart, blood pressure, and so forth. I got a little bit of a recipe here. Hemp seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds to a morning cereal or a smoothie. Naturally, this will lower blood pressure, lowers bad cholesterol, and raises your good cholesterol. So, we're just taking a look. Look at those seeds. They're really quite fine. So they can be added anywhere. Juice even, pancakes, anything. So, add approximately 4 tablespoons of seeds to your morning warm cereal or any breakfast choice. They're very fine and it's easy to do. Skin allergies and irritation. Hemp improves skin, hair, and your nails. It improves dry, red, and flaky skin. Many cosmetics that are on the market today have hemp oil in them, like lip balms, lotions, soaps. Hemp oil can also lessen the effects of dermatitis and eczema, which are some of the more chronic skin diseases. So, can help give you some recipes for that. A topical cream. Mix hemp oil with shea butter and other oils, and like lavender or any oil of your choice. This makes a homemade cream that you can apply topically. So that is really good. And if you don't want to buy it at the health food stores, then make your own with shea butter. Last, I would like to bring you a metaphysical outlook. The metaphysical outlook, metaphysical is actually the practice and study of elements of reality that is not normally experienced in everyday life by everyone. So that's all what metaphysical actually means. But uses of hemp that you can do is like the oil burners. Oils, hemp oils, there's a few right there, but you can find tons at the health food stores or anywhere online. It helps you focus in meditation and in yoga practices. Helps you have a deeper relaxation with intentions inside of self-awareness. Also, it helps relax stress, tightness of the muscles. Hemp has an anti-inflammatory effect on the body, relieving tension, relaxes the muscles after exercise, and for a deeper meditation purpose. Meditation is not bad. It is on the rise because of our high stress, fast-paced lives. Meditation is important to incorporate in everyone's life, and more people are actually doing that. With this, I will close to this statement. We live in a time where views and options are changing, and we now, more than ever, are looking for more organic and natural ways to eating healthier, medical options and choices that are different than the normal. Meditation, centering and calming down your mind and body is extremely important now more than ever. I think many will agree with me on that, and many more are learning that meditation is an important part of life. Like this video, but more important, share it with others. Everyone needs to know about hemp. Hemp is good for me, and it's also good for you. Subscribe if you haven't already. There's more herbs and their benefits to come. My next video will be released soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get your hemp seeds, food products, oils today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.